Alexa, super hacker mode.
I'm a super hacking army of one. Ask me about things like web headers and HTTP verbs and other leak things.
Hack IP address 192.168.1.38.
Starting recon on target. Here's a little music to keep you in the hacking mood. If you want to find out about how the hack is going, just say, "How's the hack going?"
How's the hack going?
Kali wasn't able to get a response from the target system. In the meantime, would you like me to answer something else or maybe rickroll someone?
What's the hex encoding for enter?
0A or 0 by 0A.
Rickroll Mick.
Mick, this is for you.
How's the hack going?
Got system via technique 1 name pipe impersonation in memory admin. Obtaining the boot key. Calculating the boot key using syskey. Obtaining the user list and keys. Decrypting user keys. Dumping password hints. No users with password hints on this system. Dumping password hashes. Administrator guest vagrant SSHD server Leah Organa Luke Skywalker Han Solo R2D2 C3PO Ben Kenobi Darth Vader Anakin Skywalker Jar Jar Binks Lando Calrissian Boba Fett Jabba Hutt Greedo Chewbacca Kylo Ren.